let's draw and color this reindeer together. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, grab your art supplies, and let's learn some fun facts while we color at the end. So number 1 is right here, and we're going to curve to number 4. 4 to 6. And here we're going to go up in line with 5, curve through 6, and then we're going to loop around to 6C. We're going to do the same thing on this side from 6C all the way to F, and then keep on going in line with 30. And a curve here, and a curve there. Now 6B to 6D. And another curve right there. Now from 6 we're curving to 9, and you're going to keep on going and curve inwards to that second dot right there. From 9, a bit of a snaky curve to 10, and curving down to 11 like that. Now from this dot right here, we're curving through 11 all the way to 15. 15 to 17, 17 to 19, and all the way to this dot right here. 19 to 20, curving like this. 20 to 21, and from 22 through 23 you're going to keep on going to this dot right here in the chin. I'm going to work backwards so I can see the dots. From 23 we're going to go up and snake a little bit all the way to 29. And from here in between 6F and 6E right here, we're going to curve down through 29 all the way down to about there. 6F to 31, and then 31 all the way to 34. So right here we've got dots to guide you to make the ears of our reindeer. So I'm going to start on this side, curving on the end, connecting back to 3, do a bit of a wave and connect to 2. And then we're just going to draw a curved line right in between. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now this is where you can have fun. Between 1 and 34 we're going to draw 2 sets of antlers and a tuft of hair. These dots are the extents of the antlers that I draw, but you can draw whatever design you want. So from over here, what I'm going to do is do a curve through this dot, and then I'm going to do a swooping curve to number 1. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. And now right here, some hair. And then we finish off the head. Let's add some stripes to the scarf. Now with my thinner pen, we're going to do the face. So right here in line with 4 and number 1, we're going to start there and make an oval. Now I'm going to do my eyes a little different than usual. So I'm going to do a second oval inside, but I'm going to stop and then keep on going like this, because I'm going to connect this in a circle to make the highlight. Now the same thing here in line with 34 and 31. Right about there. So at 6C we're going to do a nose. So we're going to actually do a curve like this. 2 circles like that. And now we're going to connect by doing a wave. And as a final touch, eyebrows way up here. As the name suggests, reindeers are a species of deer. They are the only deer species in which both male and females can grow antlers. In fact, males' antlers can grow up to a whopping 1.4 meters in length and have as many as 44 points called tines. So in fact, our friend here may actually be a girl. In case you didn't already know, reindeers are herbivores, and their diet can include herbs, ferns, moss, grass, shoots, fungi, and leaves. On an average day, an adult reindeer eats around 9 to 18 pounds of vegetation. Ever wonder why Rudolph has a red nose? Well, the secret is reindeers have 25% more capillaries carrying red oxygen-rich blood to their nasal structure than humans do. In cold climates, the increased blood flow to the nose helps to keep the surface warm and helps to regulate their body temperature. Reindeer are very social creatures. They feed, travel, and rest in herds. These herds can be from 10 to a few hundred in size. According to the San Diego Zoo, these herds can get even bigger, from 50,000 to 500,000 members. And they can often travel as far as 3,000 miles in search of food for the winter. If you like Connect the Dots drawing and you also love coloring, try drawing this video on your screen next.